So, hello everyone. Today I received my author copy. This is my first book which is written by me. The name of book is Artificial Intelligence Making an Expert System. In this book, I try to cover all the academic topics which are introduced in the subject of computer science or information technology, that is artificial intelligence. So here is the first page of this book, the artificial intelligence which is making an expert system. I am thanks to the Notion Press who published my book. So these are the contents which are there in my book. I hope that this will help you in learning the artificial intelligence, and this will clear all your doubts while learning the artificial intelligence. The book can be used, or you can use the book if you are going for the academics and you are having the subject such as an artificial intelligence. So the contents are as the first chapter is the introduction to the artificial intelligence, and in this I am going to cover what is AI, the foundation of artificial intelligence, the history of artificial intelligence, the state of the art, activities in intelligence, research view or approaches, or also called as the classes of the artificial intelligence. Next is branches in artificial intelligence, application of AI, typical AI problems, approaches of AI, disciplines of AI. So in each and every chapters I try to cover all the points which I can. So the second chapter is the intelligent agents. So for the intelligent agents, again I covered such things such as the introduction, the vacuum cleaner agents, the concept of rationality, the different types of agents, and in that the first one is the simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based reflex agent, utility based reflex agent, learning agents, and the agent environment. So this is all about the chapter 1 and chapter 2. I hope that if you buy this book, so the next is in the second chapter, the agent program architecture, the piece representation of an agent, and the page descriptor of an intelligent agent. You will get all the brief things, or the brief introduction or brief solution of all these points. The chapter 3 is the problem solving. It consists of introduction, the problem solving agent. Here I introduce some problem solving techniques or the problems, and I define the algorithm, solution, flowcharts for the same, and the program also, that is the implementation of these problems. So the first one is 8 puzzle problem, 8 queen problem, pig disk problem, water jug problem, real world problem, the terminologies or languages which are used for solving the problem, the vacuum cleaner agents, and uniform search strategies. In that I explain the BFS, DFS, iterative debugging and all. The informed search strategies, such as in that I explain the greedy algorithm or the A star algorithm. And the next one is as the each chapter have a summary, the review question, and the short type questions that can be helpful for you in your exam. The next is the chapter number 4, that is the constraint satisfaction problem. In that I have defining constraint satisfaction problem, constraint propagation, inferences in CSPs, the backtracking search, local search for CSP, crypt arithmetic problem, and the next chapter is the game playing. So in the game playing I have the adversarial search, the games and optimal decisions in games, the alpha beta pruning. And the next one is a logical agent. In that I explain the knowledge base agent, the Wampus world problem, and the propositional logic, that is a simple logic, theorem proving, the model checking. And the next is agent based on propositional logic. So in the chapter 7 I introduce the first order logic, that is representation, revisited syntax and semantics of first order logic. Using first order logic, then is next is knowledge engineering in first order logic, inferences, propositional versus first order inference, unification and lifting, forward chaining and backward chaining. And the chapter 8 is of uncertainty, that is the last chapter of my book, that is quantifying uncertainty, acting under uncertainty. And as I mentioned all the page numbers through which you can go to that point directly. The basic probability notions, inference using full joint distribution, independence bias rule and its use, the Wampus word revisited, probabilistic reasoning, and next is representing knowledge in an uncertain domain, the semantics of Bayes' network, effective representation of conditional distribution, exact inference and Bayes' network. Next one is approximate inference in Bayes' network, relational and first order probability models, other approaches to uncertain reasoning. Here I given some prefaces, that is the introduction what I covered in chapter 1 to chapter 8, and this is the acknowledgement here. Now the next one is this is the start of the chapter. I hope that this book will fulfill all your needs. So hope you will buy the book for your reference. In the description box I will mention the link from where you can buy this book. Thank you.